Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to see end-to-end encryption settings in Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you download the app, open the app and sign in. Now on your screen, you can see all conversations. Then on the top right corner, you can create a new message. Then at the top left corner, there's a hamburger menu. Select it. Under it, you can go to settings from the top right corner. Then scroll down and you can find privacy and safety right below accessibility. Under privacy and safety, you can see the security option, where right below app lock option, you can find end-to-end encrypted chats. Select it. Now under it, you can see you can manage storage, security alerts and logins. And guys, that's it. That's how you see end-to-end encryption settings in Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.